the top 20 technology trends of 2025. Technology is evolving at an astonishing pace. Every year we see innovations that push the boundaries of what's possible, and 2025 is no exception. From artificial intelligence transforming industries to quantum computing revolutionizing problem solving, the world is entering an era of unprecedented change. These advancements are reshaping how we live, work, and interact with the digital and physical world. In this video, we'll explore the 20 biggest technology trends that are defining 2025 and beyond. Some of these will surprise you, while others are already becoming a part of everyday life. Stay tuned as we uncover the most groundbreaking innovations that are shaping the future. Quantum computing, a new era of supercomputing. For decades, traditional computers have followed the same fundamental logic, binary code, using ones and zeros to process information. But quantum computing changes everything. Unlike classical computers, quantum systems use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once, unlocking computational power far beyond what was previously possible. This technology has the potential to revolutionize industries from pharmaceutical research and cryptography to logistics and artificial intelligence. Tech giants like Google and IBM are racing to develop the first practical quantum computers, with market predictions estimating a value of nearly $65 billion by 2030. While still in its early stages, quantum computing could be the key to solving some of the world's most complex problems in seconds, rather than years. AI-driven cybersecurity, fighting digital threats in real time. As technology advances, so do cyber threats. The rise of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity is changing the way companies defend their data. AI-powered security systems can detect and prevent cyber attacks before they happen, analyzing vast amounts of information in real time. This means that businesses and governments can stay ahead of hackers, safeguarding sensitive data with a level of precision never seen before. With cybercrime expected to cost the global economy trillions of dollars in damages, AI-driven cybersecurity is not just an option, it's a necessity. 5G and beyond, the future of connectivity. 5G technology is already transforming the world, but in 2025 we'll see it take an even bigger leap forward. With ultra-fast speeds and near-zero latency, 5G is paving the way for real-time communication between billions of devices. This means smarter cities, where traffic lights adjust dynamically based on congestion. It means autonomous vehicles that can react instantly to their surroundings. It means a world where everything is connected, seamlessly and efficiently. However, the infrastructure challenges and high costs associated with 5G rollout remain hurdles that must be overcome for global adoption. But make no mistake, the connected future is closer than ever. Industry-specific cloud platforms tailored digital solutions. Cloud computing has become an essential part of modern business, but a new wave of industry-specific cloud platforms is emerging. These platforms provide customized cloud solutions tailored to the unique needs of sectors like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Hospitals can now store and analyze patient records more securely. Banks can process transactions with enhanced fraud detection, and factories can automate production lines like never before. As companies look for more specialized solutions, the demand for industry cloud platforms is skyrocketing, expected to reach nearly $83 billion by 2025. Augmented reality and virtual reality, the blurring of digital and physical worlds. Augmented reality and virtual reality are no longer limited to gaming. They are transforming education, real estate, and even medical training. Imagine putting on a headset and stepping into a fully immersive virtual classroom where students can interact with 3D objects instead of reading from a textbook. Surgeons can practice complex procedures in a virtual operating room before performing real-life surgeries. Companies like Meta and Apple are investing heavily in the development of AR and VR hardware. And with the rise of the metaverse, these technologies will play a key role in shaping how we engage with digital environments. AI-augmented software development, the future of coding. Writing software has traditionally required years of coding expertise, but artificial intelligence is changing that. AI-powered development tools, such as GitHub Copilot, can assist programmers by generating and optimizing code in real time. This means that software development is becoming faster, more efficient, and accessible to a broader audience. However, while AI can automate many aspects of programming, developers must remain vigilant, as over-reliance on machine-generated code could introduce security vulnerabilities. Blockchain beyond cryptocurrency, secure and transparent transactions. Blockchain technology is best known for powering cryptocurrencies, but its potential extends far beyond digital coins. In industries like supply chain management, finance, and healthcare, blockchain provides secure, tamper-proof records that improve transparency and security. With an increasing focus on data privacy and fraud prevention, businesses are exploring new ways to leverage blockchain to verify transactions, track product origins, and secure sensitive information. Despite concerns over scalability and energy consumption, the blockchain industry is expected to be worth nearly $40 billion by 2025. Internet of Things, a smarter, more connected world. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is making the world more interconnected than ever. Everything from smart refrigerators that track groceries to industrial sensors that monitor factory efficiency is now part of a global network of connected devices. However, as billions of devices come online, cybersecurity concerns are rising. With cyber attacks targeting IoT systems increasing, companies must ensure that these devices are not just smart, but also secure. Human augmentation, enhancing the human experience. The fusion of technology with the human body is no longer science fiction. Exoskeletons are helping people with disabilities walk again, while brain-computer interfaces are allowing users to control devices using only their thoughts. This technology has the potential to enhance physical abilities, restore lost functions, and even push human evolution forward. However, concerns about privacy, ethics, and accessibility must be addressed as human augmentation becomes a reality. AI making autonomous purchases. What if artificial intelligence could handle your shopping for you? AI-powered machine customers are already making autonomous purchasing decisions for businesses, from restocking inventory to optimizing supply chain management. In the near future, personal AI assistants could order groceries, renew subscriptions, and even negotiate better prices, all without human intervention. The rise of sustainable technology, a green future. As the world shifts toward renewable energy, eco-friendly computing, and waste reduction, sustainable technology is taking center stage. Solar and wind energy are becoming more efficient, and companies are investing in greener solutions to reduce their environmental footprint. With sustainability regulations tightening worldwide, businesses are embracing cleaner technologies, not just for the planet, but for long-term profitability. Final thoughts. From quantum computing to AI-driven automation, augmented reality to sustainable technology, the future of innovation is unfolding before our eyes. These 20 trends are not just shaping 2025, they are setting the stage for the next decade of human progress. Which of these technologies excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the latest tech innovations. See you in the next one.